Hey, this is Joe from RealSuccess, and today we're going to talk about the importance of growing your real estate network. You need to be well connected regardless of the industry or business you're in. And when it comes to real estate, your network is crucial to your success as an investor. As we all know, real estate is a business based on people. Whatever real estate strategy you follow, you will end up dealing with people. Your real estate network includes anyone from investors, lawyers, real estate agents, accountants, buyers, and sellers. It's also smart to grow your network beyond the real estate industry. One of your real estate goals should be to include researchers, analysts, economists, and experts in your network, all of whom should know about other industries and areas which affect also real estate. Your network can help you gain more experience in real estate, among other industries, and also help with finding an investment property, tenants, buyers, among other opportunities. There's always someone to learn from and create a mutually beneficial relationship. Finally, remember that the above real estate goals are general, but that you need to adapt them to be SMART goals, S-M-A-R-T, so you can evaluate whether or not you were able to meet them and to know how to improve in the future to achieve success in real estate. Thank you for watching our short video section. I hope this brought value to your investment career. These are the basics of growing your real estate network, and if you want to learn the ins and outs, click on the link below. This is my website where we educate people on how to achieve financial freedom through real estate investing. I'm here for you. We're in this journey called life together. Let's enjoy every moment and do what we truly love, whatever that is, and let's create real success for everyone.